everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, yes, I have a special unboxing. Here for the unboxing. Y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. Jump straight into this here unboxing. So if you don't know, the month of March is my birthday, and it's my birthday month, and this year I decided to treat myself to a bag with my birthday gift, because I did purchase myself a bag. I purchased myself 2 bags to be exact. I did do an unboxing on the Louis Vuitton bag, but the dilemma is sure which one I want, because I went to the Louis Vuitton store here in Atlanta. They didn't have this particular bag in stock for me to look at, because I wanted to look at it in the store, try it on, and make sure it was something that I wanted before I pulled the trigger. Have it to show, I was just like, all right, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and order the bag, bring it home, and decide which one I'm gonna keep, because I can't afford to keep both. Even though I'm not keeping both, you know, I'm still do an unboxing. One I'm gonna keep, I probably will let you know in the review what bag I ended up keeping. Back and forth to the point where I was driving myself crazy. The 1-800 number, she was able to ship the bag overnight, which made it a lot easier for me, because I do work this weekend. So I was like, because you know with Louis Vuitton you have to sign for everything. I was like, okay, and then I'm still in the 30-day window with my other bags. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing, you all. Brown box, and I already told you what it is, and yes, it's a Louis Vuitton bag. It's crazy because I like the other bag, but I don't know, this bag I couldn't get off my mind. So I was just like, before I pull the trigger with keeping, I don't want to keep a bag that I'm not 100% loving. I do love the Diana, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like I wanted to make sure I'm making a right decision on whatever bag I decide to choose. I will never get tired of Louis Vuitton. But the crazy thing is, share my biggest purchase of all. And it's so crazy that I was able to do it by myself. I didn't need no help, no money, no nothing. So I will share that sometime soon. I just don't want to all of this stuff out at one time, because, you know, it looks like, oh my gosh, she's just buying all this stuff. Because no, I'm not. But just the way I upload my videos, it kind of look like that. But y'all, I cannot wait to share my biggest purchase of 2023, y'all. Oh my gosh. So anyway, this is why I wanted to make sure I picked the right bag, because if you see my biggest purchase, you will understand when I eventually share. You be like, okay, I get it. If it was up to me, I would keep both, but I can't keep both. This is why I was like, let me just order the bag that I want to see and then decide. And I'm gonna just go into the Louis Vuitton store and just switch it out. Instead of doing it online, I think it'll be easier. Something to myself, and I did. What did I say? It says, "Happy birthday." So proud of myself, you all. I'm just so happy. So here is the cute little box. I know you like, Miss Tamika, what other bag was you looking at? And we're about to open her. I'm so nervous. So I ordered myself the Louis Vuitton Palm Spring mini backpack. Yo, when I tell you I was driving myself crazy regarding this particular bag. Okay, I don't like how, look how they look. This. Okay, so let's see. Louis Vuitton don't stuff their bags, because for me, I feel like this bag should have been stuffed. Usually the straps come in the inside. I don't know, this bag is not giving me brand new vibes. I don't know. But y'all, here is the bag coming out of the box. I'm just like, okay. Like, I don't know, y'all. I wanted to order the bag because I wanted to see it in person, but I don't know. And see, this is why I wanted to order the bag so I can see. I don't know, because when I was watching unboxings, a lot of people had the strap like tucked in the bag. I don't know, y'all. I think my daughter might have been right. I think I don't know. I'm gonna have to see, because I don't know. I don't know, y'all. But here is the bag, you all. Like, look how that look. This is why I feel like Louis Vuitton needs to stuff their bags. I know with putting stuff in it, this here shape will go away. But just first impression, I'm not like, I don't know. And then this is not stiff. Like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But anyway, y'all, here is the bag, and I'm gonna just throw some stuff in here so y'all can see. Zipper in the front. It has the one zipper, which is really smooth. So have your back pocket, and then you also have your front pocket, and you have your straps for the back. So I do have my iPhone 14 Pro Max. We're going to place that in here. So I still have my Chanel wallet. We're going to place that in here. Sanitizer. My Chanel piece I got from Fashion File. The tag off yet. I need to though. Let's take the cell phone out, because I feel like I'm going to put the cell phone at the front so it's easier to grab. My AirPod cleaning kit, I got that from the Container Store. I have one of my little small Karigami pieces. A small perfume that I probably could place in here in this little pocket. Take this perfume out, because since I'm not sure about the bag, I don't want them to say anything. I don't want, you know, that to accidentally spray. But here is my lotion, Chanel mirror, card key is in there. So let's see, and stuff on the side. So now I'm gonna place my cell phone, because like I said, I would prefer to have it in the front where I can just grab and go. Okay, so the iPhone do fit here in the front. So now we're going to zipper her up. She cute though. I don't know. She cute once I put the stuff in it. I don't have anything. Let's just, I don't know. I don't have anything right now to put in here. But the little perfume will be able to fit in here, but like I said, I just don't want to put it in here and it accidentally spray or something. Here is the bag full. So I don't plan to wear this as a backpack, even though you know how I feel about my backpacks. I had purchased this because I like the way that people were carrying it, like crossbody, across the chest. And I do plan to wear it with two straps. Like, I just feel like leaving one behind would be useless. I do plan to wear this with both straps. So here are the straps. I'm not going to really do no adjusting or anything. So here is the bag. Let me move back. So here is the bag, like carrying it like this. If you want to carry it, you can also toss it to the back and carry it like so. And then like I said, you can also carry it like this. In and out of it really easily. Like you can just grab your cell phone and you're still able to place it back in your bag. This is how it looks with everything inside. Let me see if I can grab a lip gloss to see if that can fit. Here, lip gloss, so let's just see if this can fit. Yeah, it do fit in the front pocket. Like I said, this is not that stiff, because a lot of people, when I was watching unboxings, this was like really stiff where you couldn't even open. I'm going to switch the strap so we can see another way we can carry it. I even saw someone carrying it as a bum bag. This is way too big for me to wear as a bum bag. I have the straps connected like so. So like I said, you can wear it like this as a crossbody. I'm sure I can adjust it, but like I said, I'm not going to really mess with the straps until I figure out what I'm going to do. But yeah, and then you could toss it to the back like. And then what's another way you can wear it? No, maybe I would probably have to shorten it though, because as you can see, this is way too long for me to wear it as a backpack. You know, you can shorten the straps to make it shorter. So yeah, you all, this here is the Palm Spring mini backpack. Like I said, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna keep, because I have this one and I also have the Diana. First impressions out the box, I was a little like, I don't know, maybe because it could be just me, you all. It's probably nothing wrong with the bag. And it all like smushy and like, you know, I just felt like, damn. But maybe that's just how, you know, that's just how it is. And if I didn't mention, you can also carry it as a handheld bag as well. It's real soft and squishy. So yeah, you all, I know you're not going to be able to help, but I'm not sure what to do. So yeah, not sure. So let me show you really quick what I had in here. Now I think this holds a little more than my Diana. I'll go back and see, but yeah, I had my cell phone, my Chanel, my AirPod cleaning kit, my Karigami, my Chanel lotion, lip, my hand sanitizer, and my Chanel mirror. Now here in the back, you can place something in here, so I most likely will probably put my Chanel mirror in the back, keep it secure. But I'm gonna just put everything back and go in there and ask my daughter what she thinks, because she told me to keep the Diana, but it was just bothering me. Like, I still have the Diana, it's in the box, because when I'm not sure, I won't touch the bag, because I'm just that kind of person that, you know, I'm not gonna mess with it unless I'm 100% sure it to be in good condition. Like, I don't want to touch nothing. So it's still in the box. All I did was the unboxing. I put everything back. I don't know, but the presentation on that particular bag was just different. So I don't know, but I put everything back because I'm gonna go and just wear it around the house to see if I'm loving it, and see ask my daughter thoughts with me actually having it here, her seeing a picture of it, because like I said, I don't know what it is lately, you all, but I have been having an issue with deciding on things. Like, I don't know, I drive myself crazy. Like, I'm like, Jemiah, what's your thoughts? Why you like it? Dude, like, and she understands, because she be like, Mom, you know, because I'll say, okay, if you like this, why? You know, so she like helps me sometimes with deciding on what to pick or what to do. Like, I don't know if that's because I turned plus 40. That's why, I don't know. But though, I ain't even gonna lie, this bag is really cute. And let me just say, I had this on my wish list. So hard to get because it was always sold out. So I don't know if this is one of them particular items that, you know, grab it while you can, because that's how I'm feeling. Like, should I just keep it and then maybe down the line get a Diana? So I don't know, because this here was one of the pieces that was so hard to get, and now they are available. I did hear that Louis Vuitton is going up in pricing. Now, I heard that it was supposed to be on fragrance, on the fragrance side. Not sure if it's going to be on the bag side, because if so, you all, that means this bag is going to go up. And also the Diana. This is a few $100s more than the Diana bag, so I just had to take that in consideration. With this particular bag, it is carefree. I can get caught in the rain and don't have to worry about anything. Now, I do know that the Diana is treated leather. Watch a video where a lady did like a water test and she did spill water on her Diana and the water rolled off. So I don't know with the treated leather, do that protects the bag from like rain and everything, because of course, you know, with the Vuitton leather you do have to worry about raindrops and things like that. But with this particular bag, I wouldn't have to worry about anything. Take this on a water ride and I'll be fine, you know. So yeah, you all, this is my second Louis Vuitton purchase. Not keeping both, just trying to decide which one I should keep. So remember to subscribe to my channel so you can find out which bag I ended up keeping. The big gift that I got this year, like, y'all, I'm still like blown away. I still want to pinch myself because I still can't believe it. Like, wow, God is so good, you all. Like, God is so good. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this here unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.